everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change delivery address on eBay application. To change the delivery address on eBay, first of all, open up the eBay app on your mobile device and log into your account. Now click on the My eBay button at the bottom from your home page and then click on the Settings button on the next page. Inside the settings menu, go to the top of the screen and tap on the delivery address option. In order to change your delivery address, go ahead and tap on Add Address and enter your country's name, your full name, street number, the name of your country, province or region, name of your city, postcode and phone number. If you want to make this information as primary, toggle on the button right next to primary at the top right. Finally, tap the Done button at the top right corner to save your new address. Now once you have saved your new address, you can then delete the previous one. Open up the previous address and then tap on Delete at the bottom of the screen. Click on Delete Address. Now open up the new address and then toggle on the button right next to Make Primary, and then you can get back and you have a new delivery address on eBay. The address that you make primary will now be used for your future purchases. And that's how you easily change your delivery address on eBay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.